Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got something a little bit different than unboxing advent calendars, and it is ASOS beauty boxes. ASOS released 4 beauty boxes last week. There's the skincare, which is what I've got. Then you got makeup, self-care and hair care. They all cost £25 and they all have a saving of over 60%. Most of them are in the 70% mark. I love it when brands bring out more than one beauty box to choose from. But in all honesty, I wasn't really blown away with this edit. I'm not sure if it's because I've just been unboxing advent calendars back to back since the beginning of September. But the other boxes, although aren't terrible, they just didn't really excite me. The skincare one stood out to me because besides having a couple of products in there that I use and love anyway, there's a few in there that I haven't tried. Normally it takes me ages to decide which box to go for when other brands do it, like Look Fantastic or Cult Beauty, Space NK and things like that. But no, it was a clear winner this time that I went for the skincare one. But if you're interested in this one for yourself or any of the other 3, as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, including my advent calendar giveaways. I run them every single year over on Instagram, but my Instagram is connected to my Facebook this year, so whatever giveaway I run on Instagram, it automatically runs on Facebook as well. So I've got one giveaway finishing tonight, which is to win an Elemis calendar. And then in the next couple of days, I'm going to be putting up a Glossy Box advent calendar giveaway. Stand these up so you can see them as I go along. So here you go, this is the lineup. Sunshine is great, but it can do a number on your skin. Whether the heat is leading to breakouts or you're seeing a little more hydration after all the hours spent outdoors, these skincare saviours will have you fresh and rebooted in no time. From gentle moisturisers to nourishing cleansers and topical treatments, this beauty edit contains everything you need for some skincare based self-care. I think this edit was due to be released in the summer and not the end of September. Well, definitely not if it's aimed for the UK anyway. It's cold and grey and we do get a bit of sun, but anyway, let's start off then. Let's do this in order. We've got Laneige Water Bank Cream. Unlock instant hydration with this not so secret weapon. Designed to moisturise and soothe the skin for up to 100 hours, this rich textured cream is a drink for the skin. It helps that the packaging is gorgeous too. I've received this quite a few times over the last month or two, probably in all the advent calendars. It contains hyaluronic acid and peptopanthenol complex, replenish and barrier boosting. There. Let's try a little bit. I really love the packaging. It's a gorgeous little cube. So yeah, I've only got a tiny bit on my hand. It feels really nice. It's really nice and smooth. It's sinking into my hand really, really nicely. And I don't think it has a scent. No, I think I've just got a bit of leftover perfume on my hand. So there's that. Next, we have got Banila Cleansing Balm Quad. Oh, it's these. I love this, and one of the main reasons why I went for it. I love cleansing balms, but the fact that I've got 4 to choose from, yeah. There's no better feeling than taking your makeup off at the end of a long day. This cleansing balm set provides 4 different scents, each effortlessly removing dirt and makeup with an indulgent balm to oil consistency. Who needs a spa day with these in your arsenal? So we've got calming, nourishing, pore clarifying and original. Right, let's have a sniff then. They are really, really cute. Look how small they are. Look. 7 mils in each anyway. I was expecting it to have a rose smell, being pink, but no, it doesn't smell. I don't think so. No, it did say provides 4 different scents. Maybe the fact that it's original means that there's no scent. So yeah, a tiny little pot that I'm going to have a little spatula to get out. Alright then, let's go on to pore clarifying. What the heck? There's no scent. There's no scent. Having scent in products is not like the main attraction for me. I just love sniffing things, so it doesn't bother me that there's no scent there, but I'm expecting a smell. No, there's definitely no smell. Well, I'm going to go through them all. We've got calming. So you'd imagine this to smell of like lavender and chamomile. Yeah. No. And then we've got Nourishing. No. So they're cute little pots, aren't they? They're really, really cute. I like them. But I don't know anything about this brand at all. So Banila Co. And they say it on all. This sherbet type cleansing balm. Sherbet type cleansing balm that gently melts and removes impurities and waterproof makeup. Strange. No smell. And why is it sherbet-like? Anyway, what is next? We've got Dr. Dennis Gross, and this is Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. There's 3 pads in here. If we could only take one beauty product to a desert island, it would probably be this. They might look like humble face wipes, but don't underestimate the glow you'll get after applying both pads to wet skin. This is a high-end facial you can achieve at home. I have used these in the past, but not the extra strength ones. This might be a little bit too harsh for me. So you've got exfoliating and smooth pad, and then you've got a neutralizer there. And there's a pack of 3. If you've tried the normal ones and you've also tried the extra strength, let me know what you think of the extra strength. Are they a big step up? We got First Aid Beauty. And these are bronze and glow drops with niacinamide, safe for sensitive skin. And there's 30 mils here. Oh, I didn't even know that they did things like this. I know skincare. They do nice body creams and things, but not glow drops. I'll give that a try on my hand. If you want to achieve sun-kissed glow without the faff, these handy drops work to blur pores and hydrate the skin whilst adding a subtle bronze glow to your complexion. It's giving holiday without the plain fare. Wow. As always, I put too much on. Let's get it down my hand where it really, really feels nice on my skin. Yeah, that's really, really nice. It's not as dark as what I thought it would be. They're not supposed to give you like a full-on fake tan effect, but just to add a bit of a glow to the skin, a little bit of shimmer maybe, with lots and lots of lovely skincare ingredients. And this does it. I don't think it's over the top too dark, because some of them can be. More like you're putting a liquid bronzer over your face. But I think that's nice. You can tell a slight difference, but not much. My hand just looks nicer than this hand. Yeah, that would be quite nice actually to add into a foundation. What is next? Garnier. Oh, I like this one. So this is a mini micellar water, 100 mils. You can always rely on an Old Faithful. There's a reason this trusty micellar water has been front and centre on our bathroom shelves for decades. Formulated with hydrating grape extract, this removes dirt and makeup with one swipe. No need to rinse. Yeah. It's a really, really good one. I've been using it for years. No need to rinse off, and it's for sensitive skins. Yeah, really, really handy. There, I've got another one there. So we've got 2 now. Right, this is new for me. This is by The Ordinary. It's a glycolipid cream cleanser, 150 mils. A perfect pairing with a Banila cleansing balm. This creamy cleanser is the first step in a hydrating skincare routine. Its non-stripping formula gently removes mascara and eyeliner whilst preserving the skin's barrier, so it's suitable for even the most sensitive skins. So what else can I tell you? No extra information on the box. But yeah, I haven't tried this one before. So I like the fact that it's a nice gentle cleanser. So glycolipid cream cleanser. And there's 150 mils there. And then lastly, we've got Purito. This is a Wonder Relief Centella Serum unscented. Give your face a treat with this nourishing serum designed to treat blemishes and minimise redness. With a gel-like texture and calming centella extract, you can trust this product to keep unexpected breakouts at bay. This is a Korean beauty brand. Love the fact it's got Centella asiatica. I suffer from redness of the cheeks. I don't think I've got rosacea, but I do have flushed red skin, and I have a lot of like broken capillaries and things around there, which I don't like. I think it's after years of stuff. Wow, what colour is this? Oh, it's because I was wondering, why is it turning brown? I haven't wiped my hands after using the glow drops. A soothing solution infused with Korean centella. This serum is formulated to calm irritation and redness on sensitive skin. Really happy about this, and one I definitely use, especially like coming into this time of year as well, where my skin seems to suffer a little bit more. Yeah, and that is it. Those are all the products in the skincare ASOS beauty box. I was trying to think then, do they have a name? I don't think they do. So we've got a Garnier Micellar Water. We've got a Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Daily Peel. We got Bronze and Glow Drops with niacinamide, safe for sensitive skin. Love that one. And we've got Laneige Water Cream. I've got a few of these now, so I will be passing that on. Purito Soothing Serum. Yeah, really happy about that. And then we've got these Clean It Zero Special Kits by Banila Co. They're not scented and they're not sherbet-like, but they're really cute little cleansing balms. And then lastly, we've got the Ordinary Glycolipid Cream Cleanser. It's a gentle cream facial cleanser there. I think it's a good one. I am really glad I went for it. But as I said at the start, yeah, the other three, you know, had some nice products but didn't really stand out for me, so this was a clear winner for me. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this one? Did you buy it for yourself, or did you buy one of the others, or are you thinking, no, do you know what, I don't like any of them? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye.